How to reset Apple ID password without phone number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to reset your Apple ID password without phone number. So let's get started. So first method what you can do is just open up any of your favorite browser and just head over to this website, that is account.apple.com, and you will land on this page. So just tap on the sign in button and just enter your registered Apple ID just like this. So once you enter your registered email address or phone number, simply click on continue, and once you click on continue, here it will ask you for your password. So now all you have to do is just tap on this forget password button over here right below and just click on reset my password button over here, and you need to click and you just have to enter your face ID or passcode. So let me just quickly enter my passcode over here, and it will show you the screen where it will ask you for to enter your new password. You can just enter your new password and confirm it once again just like that to successfully reset your password. So another way you can also perform this is you can just head over to your settings from your device and just click on your username, and from over here just click on the sign in and security option over here. So once you click on it, you can simply click on this change password button over here, and once you click on change password, you need to verify your identity, whether we are using your face or just passcode like this. And once you're inside here, you can simply enter your new password and retype your password and confirm it just like that to successfully change or reset your Apple ID password without any phone number. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.